Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Starz on. Here we go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll search about the application of Starz on, and you will go here to this window. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.